Hello everyone, my name is Phil Schaefer with the Go Sold Real Estate team. This is my partner Kevin Belzer, and we're out here at our brand new listing in Peoria, Arizona. All right, Kevin, before heading inside the house, let's talk about the direct area and the actual community itself.
You are 2 to 3 miles from Cardinals Stadium as well as Westgate, so plenty of shopping and entertainment just a short drive away.
Perfect. And the community, it's gated, so what does that include?
Well, you get the added security being in a gated community, as well as you have a community park in here too.
Great. And before going inside, one more last piece of information. How's the floor plan, bedrooms, baths, all that fun stuff?
You are a 5-bedroom, 4-bath with the master on the first floor, so it's going to appeal to more people. And as well as you have a 3-car garage, so whether you have an extra car or need additional storage, you have that available as well.
Perfect. Well, I'm excited to go see this house. Let's go take a peek.
Perfect.
Okay, everybody, we're outside this backyard in beautiful Peoria, Arizona. Kevin, very mature landscaping, great sized lot. What else can you share with us?
If they want to fit a pool here, they absolutely could. It is a very private yard. You do have the paved parking along the side as well, which is nice. So if they want to put like a sea-doo or ski-doo along the side, definitely could fit something like that.
Awesome. You don't really see that a lot, so that's a great feature. And before letting everybody else go, what can we share with them about the house that we haven't yet?
We should probably tell them that this house is highly upgraded. We have over $40,000 in upgrades put in this home. It's not a cookie cutter 2004 built home. It's already been taken care of. So just back the truck up, move in.
You can definitely tell all the upgrades once walking through it. So we're really excited about this house in Peoria. If you'd like to set up a private showing, Kevin, what's the best way to go about doing that?
It's very simple. Just call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you again for joining us at our brand new listing in Peoria, Arizona. If you need anything, please let us know. And until next time, have a great day.